Okay, nakikita nyo na, di ba? May record na. Tama ba? You see it? It's really SWPP drill number 2. Okay, ano yung number 1? Policy. Of course. Sir, ano yung kaibahan ng policy in terms of project and program? Yan naman yung pinakamalapit eh. Iba naman yung social services, kaya it's more about specific services to the people. So, tingnan natin dito, kaso, policy establish, dapat pala, blank establish a specific set of program. Okay, so, may sagot na pala dito. So, yung program at saka project, even social services, under lang po yun ng policy. Take note po, yan po yung nagdi-dictate in all the programs and in all the projects of the government. Kung walang policy, mawala po. Under po yan. Lahat po yan nag-coincide or sumasabit sa policy. Okay? Kaya policy yung sagot. Number 2, public policy. Okay? Actually, it's not more about, actually, ginagawa ko lang yung societal policy. No? Kasi wala naman talaga. There is a social policy. Pero dito kasi class, no, ang pinaka-right term na ginagamit dito ay public policy. Kasi bakit? Because the officials on the state, no, they are public servants. Kaya yung pinaka-angkop talaga na sagot dito ay public. Hindi po yan social. No? Well, kung sabihin natin social or societal, no, it's more about policies on the society. Ganun ba? Ganun ba naiisip natin? Pero tignan natin, kung sinasabi ko sa natin societal policy, it's more about focus on the society. Pero sa atin kasi, as we are a public servant, no, public policy po yan. Kasi yung term kasi na public in comparison to social, mas gana po yung public. Okay? Kasi it's the right term. Kasi para sa mga tao. Okay? Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung mga aso nito. Kasi alam naman natin, nababaliw na yung mga aso pag ganito oras. Tayo din, nandun damay. Tumigil na kayo dyan, mga aso. Number 3, mga asong galaya, no? Wala kami aso sa bahay. Wala na. Okay? Sorry for my cup. Set of laws and administrative rules. It also defines the purpose of public social welfare. O, dito naka-establish na talaga tayo dito ng term. Purposes of public social welfare. Okay? Ang kaibahan kasi sa number 2, dito kasi is, it's more focused on administrative executive branches. Okay? Diyan na banday. Kumbaga, kung sino yung tao, mga namumuno, no, mga nag-take action dito sa public policy. Kasi those people are public servant. But dito naman, no, it's more about social policy. So, number 3C. Okay? See tayo. Number 4. Commonly refers to well-being. State being happy and healthy. Tama sagot ay welfare po to. No? Actually, comprehensive talaga yung definitions ng welfare. Pangkalahatan. Wellness, all about. Actually, kung titignan natin, hospitals, doctors, lawyers, psychologists, in different helping profession, they belong. No? They belong to what we call as welfare professionals. Tayo kasi yung pinaka direct kasi, diba, ano yung department natin? Department of Social Welfare, di ba? But take note, no, the DSWD is more focused about social welfare. Kaya Department of Social Welfare. But hospitals or DOH is medical welfare. It's more focused on medical setup, sicknesses, gano'n. Pero pag winala natin yung first word na medical welfare, social welfare, gawin natin welfare, nasali na niya lahat. Okay? Number 5. Sorry for my ubo, no? Number 5. Welfare is concerned with, so this is more about the collective provision of what a welfare is. Ito yung mga motivation, bakit may welfare. Concern and need had been central to many developments. Humanitarian. Okay? Humanitarian po to. Di ba? Usually, di ba, pag nasabi natin yung mga tao na, uy, kung ano niya tao, philanthropist. That's more about pagtutulong sa mga tao. Ano yung tawag dyan? Humanitarian. Okay? So, dati-dati talaga, ito talaga yung pinaka, even until now, no, class? But then, sa libro ni Mendoza, meron tayong social order, kind of like things. So, social control. Ang sabi daw doon, ang reason daw na meron tayong welfare, it's more about humanitarian. Diba? First, humanitarian yung first. And then it moves on to social justice, social control. Okay? Number 6. So, ito yung pinaka-motivation ng Spaniards. Bakit ba sila nagtutulong-tulong? Okay? It's more about religious. Okay? Kasi they are also bringing God's word. Sorry talaga ha. Nakakaabala ako sa buko ko. You know what I'm drinking now? I have a tumbler here. Tignan nyo. This tumbler, ang laman nito ay kalabo. Alam mo yung kalabo? It's a traditional organic medicinal for cough. Kabalo mo alam? Sensyahan tayo. Okay, tinatanong ko sa board exam class regarding dito. Now, this is all about the motivations of the colonizers. No? Kung tinanong ka, ano yung motivation ng Spaniard? For example, ito yung mga tanong. Ano yung motivation ng Spaniard? Bakit sila tumutulong? Religious talaga. Tumalabas yan, no? Even in LPT, yan din yung rason. And tinanong ka na naman, ano daw yung motivation or ano, pwede rin tanungin ka, ano yung pinakamalaking ambag ng mga colonizers na yan sa pagtulong nila dito. Pag Spanish, it's more about religion. Okay, religion. Or to be specific, Christianity. How about tinanong ka na naman, Americans. Kasi yung tinatanong lang naman sa board exam were about the first and the last. What's the first? Spanish. So, religion, Christianity. Sa Amerika kaya ano yung pinakanayambag? Lumalabas sa board exam na yung lumalabas sa American, they are, sa kanila talaga nag-start yung public welfare. To be specific, primary education and child welfare. Sa kanila yung nag-start. No, sa kanila nag-start yung ganyan. Okay? 7. Mutual self-interest. Isa po, mutual activities. Well, it's more about the government is helping and yung mga natutulungan, tinutulungan yung sarili para later, makikipagtulungan na rin sila sa government to help other people. That's more about na ginagawa ngayon. Di ba yan yung ginagawa talaga ng government ngayon? The help of the government is not free. It's conditional. Purpose belongs to CCT. Ano yan? Conditional cash transfer. Hindi po ako sabihin na, ang bait-bait naman ng gobyerno. Kung magloko ka na beneficiary ka, tatanggalin ka, alangan ba't huwag kang umiyak? Kasalanan mo bakit ka tinanggal? Kasi conditional po yung tulong ng gobyerno. It's about mutual self-interest. Yung CCT, conditional cash transfer, may conditional na nga na word eh. Napag-isip ng government na kung tulungan natin yung mga tao to, pag makapagtapos to, sila na rin yung mag-ambak ng tax. O mapakinabangan natin sila. No? Ganun yun. O sabihin, bait talaga. Kung hindi ganun, conditional po to. O 8, o democratic. It's more about helping other people. Social protection has developed in tandem with democratic rights. Okay? Democratic naman. Number 9. Concern with ano to? Countries with more extensive systems tend to be richer. Ito talaga yung sabi. Totoo po, no? Kung itong taong na meron itong gobyernong to, na meron silang maraming social services, it's all about social protection, praktikalan po yan. Practical po yung sagot. Kaya talaga, ito yun, sa Pilipinas, yung mga mayayaman, yung mayaman. Kasi mayaman na, isa lang anak. Tapos, nagninegosyo, nag-aaral. Huwag mo na yung jowa-jowa dyan, anak-anak dyan. Hindi, yung mga mahirap, ganun po yan, no? Pakyut-kyutan ng baby. Paunahan kung sino yung makaanak. Tapos, tinitis pa, ang cute naman ng anak mo. Pero wala mapakain. Ganun ba? Ganun yung nakikita ko, no? Parang panalo ka kung ikaw yung pinakaunang mag-asawa. No, panalo ka kasi ikaw yung pinakaunang may cute na bata. Ay, cute yung bata, pero to be honest, paglaki yan yung pinakamaging burden. Yes. Talaga, no? May mga times na even as personally, we are trying hard with our expenses. Lalo na kaya kung meron kang pinapakain. Ganun yung practical po yan, no? Yung mga mayayaman, yung mayaman. Kasi may disiplina. May social protection. O yung mga mahihirap, walang protection, walang trust. Nako. Kaya, yung nangyayari, kawawa. And have less poverty. Ganyan po yung practical. Tayo ng mga Pinoy, ganyan ba tayo? 10. Ito yun, no? Itong kuan, welfare state kasi to. Class, yung welfare state ay halos sagot na ng gobyerno lahat. Totoo. Pag-aral, paggamutan, bahay. Ganyan po. Sagot na lahat ng gobyerno. Saan ka pa? Kaso naman, narinig ako dito, mostly of the welfare state, I think it's in Norway. Basta dyan banda. Somewhere in Europe. Europe ba yung Norway? Yes. Bakit nila nakakaya to, sir? Sa atin dito, meron naman tayong mga public schools. Libre naman. Hospital sometimes, malasakit. Bahay, hindi. Why in other countries like having welfare state, libre to? Kasi, ang alam ko dyan, if I'm not mistaken, malaki na yung tax nila. Malaki yung tax. Kaya, I don't know, kung ganun yung nangyari. 11. So, welfare state po yan. Ito ano to? It's a model of welfare. Parang safety net. O residual. Okay? Pag sinabi nating welfare is a safety net, hindi po to permanent. Ibig sabihin ng safety net. Parang lang to more about contingency. It's It's more about, ito yung model po ng Elizabethan Poor Law. English Poor Law na 1601, 1948. Ha? So, yung welfare dito, may bigayan ng mga kahit ano. Kasi belongs to welfare social services. And under ng social services, meron tayong program and project. And yung binibigay is more about assistance that's concrete. Okay, concrete na binibigay. Material aid. Meron tayong services, counseling, anything, no? That has no material aid. So dito, itong ibig sabihin ng safety net, residual lang siya. So kung may disaster, it's like a safety net. Para may bigay. Okay? Number 12. So, model of welfare wherein much Europe is based on solidarity. Alam niyo ba na ito magaling yung Europe? Ha? Grabe yung Europe, no? Bakit sila merong sobrang empower sila? Kasi they are really for solidarity. No, actually yung Europe, alam mo yung gusto ko sa Europe na lugar? Well, may Russia na Sweden, it's in Europe. But yung pinaka-goal talaga ng youth, magkaisa sila. Tayo kasi na Pilipino, we are too secluded. We are too divided. So ito talaga yung, so pag tinanong ka class, what's the welfare mostly in Europe? Mostly talaga, solidarity welfare. So responsibilities which people have to each other depend on relationship. Ito yung pinaka-kuan talaga nila, sinusulong. Okay? 13. People is accepted as normal part of social life. In the same way as public services like roads or schools. So ito yun, no? Yung welfare talaga, ito yung, dito na rin pinapasok yung sinasabi ko na welfare state. Ano yung welfare state? Actually, welfare state belongs to institutional welfare. Yung libre na lahat. Yung parang saklaw na ng gobyerno lahat. Ang tawag po dyan ay institutionalized welfare. Dito na part, hindi lang po mahihirap yung tinutulungan. Lahat ng mga kailangan, tinutulungan. Institutional social welfare po yan. Okay? And dito number 14 is seen as handmaiden to the economy. Okay, yan. Ano bang ibig sabihin, sir, ng handmaiden? Pag sinabi natin handmaiden class, it's more about a woman is handmaiden, no? So, parang maid. Personal maid or female servant. So, dito na aspect, no? Handmaiden to the economy, help employers. So, para itong welfare na to, binuo to, or model to, para matulungan yung mga worker. Para siyang servant, no? Yan po yung meaning ng handmaiden. Maid. So, it's more about industrial performance. So, itong welfare na to, it's more focused na matulungan yung nagtatrabaho, no, yung mga worker. Actually, di ba, meron di bang field yung social work? Anong tawag dun sa field na yun na more focused about workforce? Hindi ba industrial social work yun? Or industrial social welfare? Tama ba? Okay. 15. Social welfare promote social justice. It's one of the justice model of welfare. Okay, there's a fair share model in concern to the welfare. The central ideas are equity, equality, and need. So, lumalabas yung equality and equity kasi may need. So, kung may need, tutulungan. Now, merong dalawang klase ng ideas. Equality. Pag sinabi natin equality class, kung lahat may need, nangangailangan, bigyan silang lahat. Pero pag sinabi natin equity, may need, bigyan lang muna natin yung pinaka nangangailangan. But dito, kinumpara ko lang naman yun, it has both equality and equity. The answer is distributive. Ibig sabihin, this is justice model of welfare wherein a distributive justice model na nadidistribute talaga. Hindi lang po sa mga mahirap. In everything, in everyone. Okay? Pasensya na talaga no. Nahasil lang kasi kung i-off yung mic tsaka uubo ako. Tatanggalan tayo. Okay lang ba, nakakaabala lang ako. Pasensya na, Sir James. I actually opt to have a class right now kasi ubo ko. 16. Another justice model. So, decisions are made because the people feel vindicated. Okay. Alam na natin ito, procedural. So, ito yung justice model na talagang merong dapat procedure para mabuto na welfare design. Okay? So, procedural po. Fair treatment. Procedure. Hindi pwede na hindi dumaan sa procedure. So, procedural po to. Fair. Kasi, kung hindi siya dumadaan sa proseso, diretso-diretso tayo, hindi siya fair. Okay? Recognize that people feel vindicated. Kasi lahat ng tao dito, they are vindicated. Ibig sabihin, para siya meron siyang principle of self-determination and participation hinalo. Na the people have the power, no, na if kailangan gumawa ng policy, kailangan pag-usapan. Procedural yan. 17. Contributive. Okay. Commonly referred to as just desert approach, people should be treated in similar manner as they treat others. So, ito po na nagkakatakot po ito na justice welfare. So, isipin mo, in welfare, parang ganito yan eh, no? Nasira yung bahay mo. Bigyan ka na bagong bahay. No, ganun po yan. No? Retributive. Eye for an eye. Ano yung kinuha, yun yung dapat kunin. Ano yung nakuha sa akin, yun yung ibalik. Ganun po. Okay? Next tayo. Proportion talaga, no? So, ano yung binigay mo dito, yun yung ibigay mo rin sa kuan. It's more about equality, pero iba to, no? Retributive. 18. Restorative. It is multifaceted with a focus on the victim. So, di ba ito yun, di ba? Meron tayong function ng social work. Ano nga yun, function natin? Meron tayong developmental, meron tayong preventive, at meron tayong restorative, curative, rehabilitative. Isa lang yan. So, ito yung mga batas. Yung mga batas na it's more about focus sa client. Okay? So, ganun po yan dyan na batas. Okay? So, yung you're more about tumutulong para matulungan yung client. No? So, itong kuha 9344, it's more about juvenile justice system, no, of 2006. It's more about yung sa CICL, yung mga bata na agawa ng krimen sa kuan, tinutulungan sila. Nare-restore sila. No? So, juvenile justice po yung RA 9344. At saka meron tayo dito 10630. No? Juvenile justice pa rin. It's more about that. No? So, ganyan po yung focus ng model na yan. Okay? It's about restoring. Okay? Restorative po yung tawag siya. No? Ang daming lumalabas na ganito. Last year, may nakapagsabi sa akin, yung nagsilabasan daw, yung mga model, paradigm, school of thought, mga ganyan-ganyan ba, theory. Ganun ba? O sige, ibuhos natin to. Kaya, umabot po ako dito ng 80 items para pag-usapan lang to. Itong mga model na to. Okay ba yun? Para talaga hindi tayo mahirapan. Kasi mahirapan, ano yung retributive? Patay, no? Acceptance lang alam ko ay, paano yan? No? Lago tayo dyan. Alam mo bakit mahirap to class? Kasi, example, ang alam natin itong Sigmund Freud, psychosexual, no? Anal, oral, phallic, latency. Psychosexual yan. Pero meron yan kabuuan na tawag. Ang tawag po dyan, psychoanalytic. So, yung mga anal-anal, ganyan-ganyan ni Freud, oral, psychosexual niya, bilong po yung psychoanalytic. Parang dito rin sa policy, meron po yung malaking term na ginagamit dyan. Ito na yung tawag ko natin dito, pinag-usapan. Yung mga models, mga paradigms, theory. For example, no, ano ba yung 9344? Ano yan na justice model? Na tinanong ka, Juvenile Justice Welfare Act of 2006 is what justice model? O, di ba? Kung hindi kayo nabigyan ng gano'n, importante tayo dyan, no? Ano yan na type? Ay, kuan pala yan, restorative justice model kasi pinag-usapan namin ni Sir James. O, di nasagutan mo. Yun lang. Okay? 19. Okay. Field of social work where hindi naman mahirap dito, no? Hindi lang siya family. Women's din siya. So, both A and B. Dito tayo sa fields. Hindi naman to mahirap. No? Field ng social work. 19D. So, tingnan mo lang, kung women's welfare lang, hindi dapat masali yung pamilya. Kung sinali yung pamilya at women, so both A at B ang sagot. So, 19D. Ito ang hinahanap dito na sagot ay the most comprehensive sagot. Kasi kung women's welfare yung sagot, dapat babae lang yun nandyan sa case. Hindi sinali yung pamilya. Okay? How about this? Tinulungan yung pamilya, doon tayo sa nanay, papunta sa anak. So, combination niya ng tatlo talaga. Family welfare, women's welfare, child welfare. Kasi lumalabas sa sociology class, actually it's just on the sociology. I don't know kung sa batas. Sa sociology kasi, single parent is considered as family. So kung wala kang tatay or wala kang nanay, if you have one parent, pamilya na yan. Okay? Pero sa batas, I don't know, kasi school, sa family code, no, may tatay na yun. So, ganun talaga yun. 20. Ay, 19C. Child welfare. Halata naman, no? Youth, sir. According to the law, child are those below 18. So, 17. No? 17 pababa. Kasi below 18. Ano ba yung below 18? Child yan. Child welfare. 20. Also known as industrial. Ito yung sabi ko, di ba, kanina? Occupational social work welfare. Okay? Ito yung, actually ngayon, kumukuha na rin yung mga companies ng social worker. Kasi, napapag-isipan nila na yung mga, of course, no, if you are a CEO, sana all CEO, concern mo rin yung welfare ng employee mo. Kasi hindi, nakakasama po yan sa company na every week na lang bago-bago ka na employee. Wala pong continuity dyan. So, kailangan mo i-preserve yung employee mo, lalo na pag matagal na yan, kasi alam na yan yung proseso. Sometimes nag-hire pa sila ng social work dyan. Ito na po yan. 21. Clinical social work. So, may mga mental disorder, bipolar. Pero pagkakaalam ko dito sa clinical social work, kailangan siya ng specialization. Kailangan mag-masters ka ng more about psychological, ganun. No? Itong clinical social worker, one po to, crucial po to. Kailangan talaga dito ng master's degree. O ikaw, no? Kung mag-masters ka, no? Actually, nakapunta na ako talaga sa may mental health institution. Sobrang nakakatakot. Kasi yung mga tao dyan, of course, meron talaga mental illness. Parang haharapin ka na bigla maghubad sa'yo. Maghubad sa harapan mo. Nakakatakot. Anyway, my feeling is not maybe valid kasi social worker tayo, buti natatago talaga ako, no? Noong na-field trip kami. Isipin mo, class, tinakbuhan ka tapos nasa harap mo, naghubad. Ako, masusubukan talaga yung kuan mo, yung takot. Kung gaano ka katapang. 23. No, correctional. Letter D po to. 22D. Ito yung part sa perform diverse roles. Ito yung mga roles sa make recommendations to the court, expert witness, no? Presenting assessment, provide service for prison inmates and their families. So, kuan po yan na social work sa correctional and justice. So, ikaw, meron yan, I believe yung tawag din dito is malapit siya sa pagiging court social worker. No? Yung trabaho nila dito. Mostly dito talaga, ito na aspect ay pag may isang CICL, no, bibigay sila ng assessment sa court kung kumusta ba yung bata. 23 o D. Same pa rin. Forensic social work yung tawag sa iyo. Yung setting na kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, most likely in court. Kaya oftentimes tinatawag din siya na court social work. Kasi palagi ka sa korte, nagbibigay ka ng recommendation. So, court social work din oftentimes. 24 ay A. Ito yung typology, yung mga types ng policy. One person organization as an agent, it is connected mainly to develop a new department. Okay, so internal distribution of funds. Constituent. Constituent. Ano ibig sabihin ng constituent? Pag sinabi natin kung ano class ng constituent, no? Component or part of something. Okay, naging parte ka. So dito na aspect, sabi kasi dito, person organization to work as an agent, connected. So, di ba, ang ibig sabihin kasi ng constituent, nandyan ka para makonekta yung iba. Kasi part ka eh. Part ka na something. So, ang trabaho dito, sabi dito, connected mainly to development of new departments. So, ikaw yung nagko-coordinate ko na connecta constituent policy po yan. 25. D. Ano na, no? Yung sabi ko kanina, di ba? Yung pag may need, kailangan equality or equity. So, pag nagbibigay kayo. So, ito na naman na aspect na type of policy, typology of policy. Ano daw yung aspect that allows the government to provide public goods and services. So, para saan ba yung public goods and services? Hindi ba binibigay yan? So, it's more about you are distributing something. Distributive policy. Okay? Mahirap, no? Sige, iba dito hindi nakarelate. Kumusta? First time yun dito, no? Nakarinig mga ganito. Parang kasi laging bago to. Mga bago yung ikukuha natin. I-discuss. Para marami tayong ma-learn. Okay ba yun? Tulog dito sila. Oh. No, wag kayong matulog dyan, no? Huwag kayong matulog dyan. Kawalan nyo yan